Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure both devices are ready. Update iPhone, charge the watch to at least half, and enable Bluetooth/Wi-Fi because pairing uses those radios. Once done, power the Series 10 and hold it close to the iPhone. The watch shows a pairing animation. You tap Continue in the iPhone prompt to start the automated flow, which speeds setup and transfers preferences. This avoids manual entry and ensures secure, authenticated pairing using your Apple ID and proximity. Once the camera recognizes the watch animation, you scan to establish the encrypted link. This is faster and avoids typing. Then choose whether to restore settings from a backup or set up as new. Restore saves apps and watch faces, while new gives a clean start. Make sure to set a passcode for Apple Pay and health data protection, and enable Apple ID and Siri so notifications and secure features sync. Finally, select apps to install. This optimizes space and battery for your routine. Finish by allowing the watch to finish syncing. This can take several minutes depending on data. Keep the devices close and plugged in to speed it up. Once synced, test calls, notifications, Apple Pay, and health data to confirm everything flows correctly. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices first. If that fails, toggle Bluetooth, reset network settings on the iPhone, or unpair and pair again. These steps clear temporary conflicts while preserving data when you reattempt pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.